Ladies and gents, welcome. Good morning to you. It's 5 o'clock, 40 minutes. We are here to see the sunrise together in the bushes. It's not why I came here. I came here for extra special fog that happens almost every day here when the weather changes, I guess. But today I slept only 4 hours to come and film the fog, and of course it's not happening because I'm here. Every day it happens. I see videos of the fog in this area at this very time, but today no, because I'm here. The sunrise is in a few minutes. Official sunrise today is 5:49, so literally a few minutes away. I'm just gonna walk in the nature a little bit just to show you something else, not busy, crowded cities and streets. I'm not gonna film for too long, and I'll go back to bed because I slept only 4 hours to get the fog. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'll be quiet from now on, and let's listen to the nature together in the bushes. And I'm just going to say I didn't see any people walking dogs around here at this time. I've been here for quite a while waiting for the fog to come. I didn't see anybody with a dog yet. Sunrise is in 2 minutes. 5:46. I'm checking my phone now. Oh, sorry, 48. No, 46. It's quite cloudy. I'm disappointed. It's usually absolutely gorgeous here, I've been told, and I've seen some pictures and videos in the morning. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I see foxfish running in front of me. You probably can't see it, but I see it. She's looking at me like, what's going on? She's just crossing that path. Let me zoom in for you. See? She's keep on staring. I must be the only one then at this time. She's like, go home. She's keep on looking from the bushes. And I'm gonna do what the fox said. I'm just gonna walk around the pond a little bit here, just literally a minute. And I'm gonna go home because no fog, no meow meow. I go sleep. It's just my luck. Sleeping only 4 hours, coming here for nothing. One day I'll get it, don't worry guys. So ladies and gents, just a short one that will teach me a lesson. I should just sleep. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please press the like button, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.